Hey guys, it's me, Dominic. I'm back. Sage is gonna go try filling up his water bottle full of water from there. We might go back to the other bridge and get some fresh water. Water's not too good here. And I'm sorry if it took so long. I forgot to press the start button on the video camera. Doesn't look too fresh. All of this water from Nickel Lake. If you want to come here and meet us, I think I'll be here every weekend. Yeah. Sage, maybe throw it in. Try bottle flipping. He's throwing it. It's going, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's gone. I had a rim and I threw it in. I have a couple pictures of it. I'll show you it. And I threw it in and it sunk. It was floating for like the longest time and all of a sudden it just sunk. I would laugh if we went to the other bridge over there. I doubt it though.
Whoa! Look.
Oh, that's new.
What?
That.
New. Oh, they have like white on them. That rock has white. The other one, yeah.
I'm gonna go grab a seat somewhere.
So there we go, guys. There's a train. Let's zoom in on that train. If you're watching this video live right now, comment train. And yeah.
I want you to.
Okay, I'm doing this without shoes on because I'm scared out of my living mind they're gonna fall. Oh yeah, I know. Can I take this for a second?
Hey everybody! I'm just being stupid. Oh, disgusting. You guys, can they have a close look down there? Moving for you guys. Adrian, why is it moving? It's not moving.
Look at this. Let's see if you move a little bit that way. Remember Daddy, they're back?
Oh yeah. Okay, we were here the other day. I mean, a while ago, me and Matt. Oh shit, I almost dropped my phone. So you guys are gonna be blue for a little bit of black. I was here for a little while. Me and Matt and Sage and there was these girls jumping on the trampoline and police all over. And the little girls were yelling, "Daddy, they're back! Daddy, they're back!" And
I'll give you.
And they started walking toward us.
I'll give you a little bit.
Police and everything. We got